Now we're gonna compare the sound quality from left to right. Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. In the middle, Samsung Galaxy S7. And from the right is Samsung Galaxy A32 4G. And they're all in maximum volume and same equalizer. I'm using a music player app. Same equalizer, maximum volume. Now let's play Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge first. And tell me in the comment section which is better, which is the best, which is better over the other. Okay, let's continue with Samsung Galaxy Edge or Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. Okay, let's get back to Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge again. Okay, tell me in the comment section your thoughts.